Hey y'all, it's Dom. Subscribe, like, and comment for more videos. Today we are going to be bleaching my dreads with the color coming out as unknown. That sounds crazy. Not necessarily unknown, I just don't know what shade of blonde we're going to get. So I've had locks for about 9 months now, since maybe the end of last December. Okay, so this is the last time with me having hair. Real hair. I've dyed my hair rainbow. This was back when my hair was really puffy and curly every time I washed it. I was keeping it twisted like this for most of the time. Red. Another type of rainbow that I didn't. Just more so dark versus rainbow. I'm always dancing. This is ridiculous. I did jet black, so I've dyed it 4 times within the course of those 9 months. So 4 times, that's not bad, honestly. I guess some people say you shouldn't dye your locks. I do what I want. My favorite brand. This mixed with the developer, the correct brand, is the best thing ever to mix with these two together. I don't have no gloves, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking. We're gonna make it work. I have a Sagittarius, which is fire. And then I have a Leo sun sign, fire. But I'm on the Virgo cusp, August 19th. And then my moon sign is Libra, which is air. Okay, I put 3 swoops in the thing. Use whatever. This one was $16. This one was probably like $9.99 or $8.99. Just a guess. There's no specific measurements. Just do whatever feels right and make it to the consistency that you like it. I like mine's a little thick. Do not leave it for too long. It'll start getting foamy like soapy ice cream. Now remember, I don't have any gloves. It's okay though. Now, everybody's look that you may be going for is always going to be different. So I'm going for more of a freestyle, messy look. I don't really like a big line of demarcation or all dreads to be the same solid color, but I am making sure that I'm at least checking through. This just would have been so much easier with gloves. Make sure y'all get gloves. Pink, blonde, brown, reddish thing. Honestly, just 10 more minutes. Stop later, wash it off, for I don't have no hair. In a second. See, this one's really light. This one's really not. Alright, so the color came out right. It came out a little like dark on this back right corner. But it doesn't matter because I have decided that I'm going to put a color over this because it came out so bright and I didn't expect it. It is very stringy, very breakagey. That's not even funny. I am gonna let my hair chill out though. And once it dries, because it does look different when it's wet versus dry. So once it dries, I'll come back and show you guys a video. I'm gonna do my edges for y'all real quick and throw it in a top bun. I got a hair call, gotta go, it's like midnight. It's like it's straight, but all this stinger, just got a perm. I ain't really with that. What do I use? This is Edge Effect, $2. I always just grab whatever I see, as long as it says Edge in the beginning of it. Like Edge Booster works good. Edge Effect, Edge Ajar. Never heard of that one. I just made that up and it sounds crazy.
I usually have an actual edge brush. I literally have no copyright music in the back, just going and going and going. I at least take that front one and twist it. Turn up, cup now! Just playing, but that's what that shit sound like. It's like dreads or locks are always going to be different for everyone. Because at the end of the day, it's simply individually for you.
Alright. I'm finna go do hair real quick, y'all. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So, I've had my hair in a bun at the top all night. I really need to retwist my hair. See the difference it would be? Would, could, should be. I usually retwist my hair with honey, but honestly, when I'm literally on the go, I just throw my little edge control on there, just a dab of it, because you see it's already white from caked up edge control from the night before. I see a lot of people promote the style of like the bang look with short hair like this, and that looks crazy. This is crazy. I would never walk out the house like this. I would never wear my hair down for now, just until it gets to a reasonable length. So this is the end result. Okay, so as you guys can see, it is way thicker when it's dry. Thicker, but basically back to feeling how it was when it was black. I love it. I love the color. It's cool for now. This is still like my favorite color. I just wet this one just to see how different it looks like. You see how flimsy it looks compared to the others? These are my favorite colors. It's like if I dye my hair again, it would be this color, but I'm done dyeing for now. I'm gonna give it a break until they all touch my shoulders. I'm gonna give it a break. When it comes to lightening it again, I feel like if anything, the next thing I'll do is I'll put color over this, but I won't go light again, just because that was kind of scaring me when I was able to pull my hair off the bottoms. Like with every touch, I had a little bit of hair in my hands. I'm kind of good on that for real. Like I'm not trying to go bald out here. Like my dreads is already shrinking. I need to keep and hold on to every single thing that I can. All right, y'all, so we dyed the locks. We did a little retwist at the front, bonus style. And I want y'all to comment under this video and let me know which one y'all want to see next. My weight loss journey from a year of me losing 170 pounds total, or we can do passion twist over my locks. It's up to y'all. Let me know what y'all want to see next. we could do both. And yeah,